Santa must have heard what you wanted.
And you must have been just good enough.
Mommy, can you open it?
Sure can. Are you excited?
Yeah. Really excited.
We're really excited. Pony phone that you always wanted.
That's what I always wanted. It's Santa.
Amazingly, it's a easy to open child's toy.
That's the pony phone that I wanted from Santa.
It comes with a key. This part's not so easy.
I have the key, Mom. I have the key.
You have some credit cards.
Yeah?
And a driver's
Oh, that's great.
license.
That's just what she needs.
Yep.
And there's a pink pony.
What's your driver's license?
No, a pony.
There we go. All right, Charlotte. It's ringing.
I'm going to take a picture of you, Mom.
You take a picture with the phone? Okay, take a picture. Click.
Was that a good picture?
I bet it was.
I'm just with you. 9. Now, I'm going to close it and put it beside me.
Okay. Well, I think there's one more box here. Would you like to see what's in there?
Yes. What is in there?
I don't know. You're going to have to open it.
Yes, and then I will give it to Daddy and he will open it and see what it is.
Why do you want to give it to Daddy?
Because we need to
Oh.
open it, and I'm going to
It
open it.
does have a camera
back.
phone on this. You need to send it, but...
Mommy, I'm opening Daddy's present.
No, this is your present. Your present from Santa.
Yeah. A pony checkup. It's a pony checkup, Mom.
I see